Today we're going to be taking a look at a Capri Tools 1/4 inch socket set. This one is going to be a 6-point set in millimeters, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for sending this out to the channel for us to try out. What they did was they sent us a very nice socket set here that we're going to check out, and then in the future we will do update videos on it. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, go over some of the features about it. I'm going to test it out on one thing, and then I'll give you my first impressions of it. So let's get started. Alright, let's open this up real quick and see what we got in here. Very nicely packaged. We have our very nice blue rail right here. And then we got our tools. And of course, because in shipping, they are all over the place. But I'm going to make sure these are all in there. Now, the one thing I want to do is I want to flip this around real quick. And you could see that this is a no-skip set, and these are made in Taiwan. That's one reason why I liked them. So I'm going to get this stuff opened up and we'll go over some of the features about it. This Capri 1/4 inch drive socket set comes with 4mm all the way to 15mm with absolutely no skips. They have a premium chrome vanadium steel that is tempered with their proprietary heat treatment. They are a 6-point wave drive to prevent rounding. They have large stamping on them to make them easy to read. They come with a billet aluminum tray. The millimeter has blue that we have here or purple, and if you get the standard set, you can get it in red or black. And they come with Capri's lifetime warranty. Now real quick, I just want to look at the finish on these. And besides my fingerprints on here, these things look absolutely gorgeous on here. I like the 6-point drive on this. They do make them in a 12-point. I like the 6-point because you have a less likely chance of rounding them off. That is very nice there. Now I want to take a look at the tray, and the first thing I want to show you guys with the tray, get the light and shadows off it. It is made in America, and that is a very good looking tray right there. And then show you guys the back of it, do a flyby, get out of that shadow there real quick. And here you go, this is what it looks like all put together on the tray. And what I absolutely love about this setup is you got the 15 shallow with the 15 deep. They're right across from each other. I really like that setup about it. Now let's grab one of these and try it out. Now, just like before, I just want to do a quick demonstration. So we're going to do the same thing we did in the 3/8 drive. I got a 13mm right here, and I want to loosen this bolt up just to see how good it feels on there. All right, feels nice and tight. I'm not going to loosen it up all the way, but you guys can see right there, everything's loose. That bolt's moving around. So now let's switch it over and tighten it up. Feels like it's grabbing very nicely on it. Get this tightened up right there. There it is snug. Very nice. Now, like I mentioned before, when I did the video on assembling this box, every time I do a tool that's going to go in this box, I was going to show you guys where I was going to put it. And for right now, I'm just going to put it right up against here. And it'll stay here until I see it fit to move somewhere else, because I add more stuff to it. But you can see down here, I got the 3/8 drive, and over here I got the 1/4 inch drive. So what's my initial impressions of these sockets? I think the finish on them looks good. The fitment on the sockets was good. Everything looks good so far, but the thing is, will they handle the test of time? And that's what we're going to find out, because every time I need a 1/4 inch socket now, I'm going to use these so I can give you guys a future update video on how they're handling up. So once again, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for sending these out to the channel for us to try out. I am so excited to try all these new tools out so I can get reviews up for you guys for in the future. So don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I'll have some affiliate links that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.